So I want you to imagine for a moment that you're 15, 16 years old and you're wanting to get in great shape. You see guys that are they got a whole bunch of muscle, they're lean, they're looking great. You've been a little bit pudgy and you want to get that started for yourself. And somebody tells you, they say, hey, listen, you're going to be getting in shape. You're going to be going to the gym, running, all of that. And that's all great. But I need you to know something. I need you to know, and this is very, very important. I want you to write this down. They tell you. And they say, you want to stay away from protein. You don't want to consume protein. If you consume protein, you are going to catabolize your muscles. You're going to look terrible. You're going to feel terrible if you eat protein. And so you go, okay, awesome. Yeah, let me just jot that down. And then you kind of move forward in your life. And you don't think about it too much, but you look around, you see protein content on foods, and you go, oh, well, I want to stay away from protein. Okay, I want to stay away from protein. And before you know it, this life belief that you have, the lens in which you are viewing fitness and nutrition is so irredeemably fucked that no matter the action that you take, you will not achieve your fitness goals because the lens in which you view nutrition is fucked. It's over for you because you just don't understand. Therefore, the actions that you're taking are less important than the lens in which you are viewing all action and nutrition. And now, this same thing is happening in game. You guys hear the lines, like what to say, what to do. Maybe you watch some of my infields. But what you don't see in my infields is the lens in which I am viewing dating. The lens in which I am seeing women at a physical level as well as at a soul level. And so many of you guys, whether, you might be a younger guy now and you just came up on some real, dude, there's just so much bad dating advice out there that there's things that you maybe saw in a video, 3 years ago that you didn't even realize that you even took in that internally, but it's been a lens that you've been viewing every interaction through. And it's destroying your results. The lenses in which you view life and the action that you're taking are insanely important. And if the lenses are incorrect, then the action is rendered ineffective and you will be irredeemably lost. So what I'm doing is I'm hosting a free workshop this coming Sunday where this is going to be my 10 lenses training. You can click down below to sign up. It's 100% free. I'll be there live. We'll do a live Q&A after the workshop. And I'm going to be giving you the 10 lenses that you can just jot these down in a little note on your phone. You can just jot these down somewhere. It's going to be great to have me explaining them to you. But as long as you're remembering them as you move forward in this life and they become impacted into your mind, every interaction you have from here on out is guaranteed to go better than if you're viewing everything through the wrong lenses. You will take these with you for the rest of your life. So I'm going to be, after the workshop, two things here. One, I'm going to be selling this. So you'll either see this on my website for $97 or $297 after the workshop. So that's number one. And number two is I'm going to send the replay to everybody who chimes in, everybody who signs up for free right now down below. I'm going to send it to you guys for free, the replay as well. So sign up right now. It's going to be this coming Sunday, and it's going to be awesome. You guys are going to absolutely love this. I put some work into making sure that this thing is awesome. I do these workshops periodically, and people always love them. So I want you to click the link down below, sign up immediately, and I will see you this Sunday. Don't miss out on this. You'll get an email with the time and the date and all of that. I will see you on this workshop.